Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Marinera here, My Best Life Paraguay. And today we're doing another grocery run. Here, check, come here. Sit. Okay. No, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Hope you got his treat at the beginning of the video. Oh, there we go. Yeah, and so anyways, this is here we're okay. Yeah. Anyways, so this is what we got for about $100. I'll put the exact price on the thumbnail and in the title, right? But yeah, this is about $100 grocery run, slightly under, I believe, or maybe over. I don't know. If you hear noises, the girlfriend is making milanesa, right? ¿Verdad? Milanesa.
Marinera de Carne.
No, marinera de carne. All right. Okay. Anyways, this is what it looks like. So this is So we bought carne. It's about a half pound, or no, half kilo. Yeah, and she put ¿qué puso usted? Sauce,
Abajo, the cracked coleslaw.
soy sauce, garlic, ¿qué más?
Mostaza.
Mustard.
Comino.
¿Qué?
Comino. Comino word. Comino.
Oh, okay.
Comino molido.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yes, this stuff. It's a special kind of condiment here for me. And then yeah, making eggs. So that's how we're gonna make the meat stuff, right? And she's also using milk. Okay. Anyways, that's what she's doing over here. And so let's start out. We got this bad boy. I don't know how much it was, but it was pretty cheap. Glass, right? We got one of these for para ensalada. No, where? Okay. Yeah. So we got a nice like Betty Crocker kind of spoon, whatever, for salads. And then yeah, here's the soy sauce that we got. And I got 4 of these bad boys. I'm gonna try to make this video quick, you guys. But yeah, these are I use these for spaghetti sauce, right? I usually use 2 of these, right? If I make a big batch, and then 1 pizza to give it some more flavor when I make spaghetti. I'll probably actually do a video on that one day, right? Then we got the tiniest bag of rice I've ever seen in my life. It's hilarious. I've never seen a bag of rice this tiny. 250 grams, right? So a quarter kilo. Okay. ¿Qué es este, amor?
Y zanahoria. Es tipo mix.
Okay.
Para la ensalada.
Okay. The mixed vegetables that we're gonna make in a rice. We're gonna make a rice salad out of this. Okay. So and then we got hot dog bread. Probably like $1 or $2. Then I got how many? I got 10 ultra resistant garbage bags, right? I was starting to run out there. We got 2 more things for tomato sauce. Okay, then we got vegetable oil. Okay, then as I usually get Campito. This is like the vitamin C juice stuff. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this actually goes for like under $1 now, believe it or not. Aquarius. No, Aquarius. Okay, yeah. This is a really good stuff, you guys. It's like a water/juice mix, right? 1.5 liters, really good stuff. Yeah. It'd be kind of like a flavored water, basically. Okay, then we got more spice. These would be what would these be? Like bay leaves, laureles. Yeah, pretty much like I think like bay leaves.
Bargain.
Spanish bay leaves, something like that. You guys would probably know better. Yeah, at least that's what I would translate it as. Okay, then we got 12 eggs, you guys. 12 eggs here. We got window cleaner. Yeah. Then we got, believe it or not, the 5 pieces of fresh baked bread for about 2,294, which would be about 25 cents. Put it at that, maybe 30 cents. 5 good pieces of bread. Bread is a lot more expensive in the States. That's for damn sure. These bad boys are called rosquitas. ¿Verdad? Okay, rosquitas. And I got quite a few of them. I can fill two full jars of these bad boys. You eat them in the morning time, right? And they're hard bread, like kind of like a buttery kind of bread thing, and they're really good for the morning time with the coffee, etc. And you can keep them for a long time if you put them in tight, sealed tight jars. Okay. Um, yeah. Okay, and then the girlfriend has her little what's it called, nail polish. Each one of these goes for 6,000, which would be about like 75 cents, right? So all these together, $1.50, 250, right? 225. Yeah. Is my math off? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, yeah, 225. Okay, so then we got a face cream, right? Whatever. I don't know how fucking much this is. 145 grams. Okay, yeah. Anyways, that'll last months. Cream for your face, whatever. You guys know what it is. Then we got Brazilian whiskey, you guys. Not the best stuff in the world, but still does the trick. And I'm gonna try this with this. People might think I'm crazy. This stuff, you guys, the Fanta, this is Guarana. You will never see this in the States. At least I don't think you will. Um, yeah, Fanta Guarana is a Paraguayan thing. It's a tropical fruit. Okay, then we got this. This is a soja jugo de manzana. Okay, so it's like más vitaminas, right? Is it? Okay, so this is like okay, so yeah, this is a soy juice, I guess, with apple juice, and it's it's zinc and vitamins. Okay, go.
Step.
Sorry, guys, my dog was trying to steal stuff. Go away. Sorry, you guys. Okay, all right, let's keep moving. This stuff is St. Ives. You know what this is? Face wash stuff. Yeah, girlfriend picked this out. Okay, let's keep moving. So, body washes. These ones, I don't know where you get these from. These are, maybe you guys. Oh, this is Paraguayan made, I think. Yeah. Anyways, good body wash down here, right? I got 2 bathrooms, so I'm just gonna keep one in each bathroom. Then we got peanuts. We call them money down here. Money. Yeah, bag of peanuts, 150 grams. Okay, then we got a real good amount of cooked ham. Okay, this will come out to about 28,000, 350 or so. Yeah, much more expensive in the States, dude. Much more expensive in the States. This would be like $10 or more, easily. Maybe even more than that. Okay, keep moving. So then we got butter, or no, vegetable like cream butter stuff, margarine. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, we got that. Then we got 8 Ochi hot dogs. Okay, you guys. Best kind of hot dogs. I've told you that in the past. Ochi is the brand to go to. Same with the ham. They're the best for ham products here. What am I saying? Pork products, I mean. Yeah. Okay, we got 4 rolls of toilet paper. All right. Okay, we have 1 slacking a pizza thing. I should have put over here. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, then we got a lots of cheese, you guys. We go through cheese like crazy here. So 35,000, let's put that at 16 times 2. Okay, yeah, 32. So a little bit over $4 for this amount of cheese. That is a lot of cheese, you guys. This is nearly half of a kilo of cheese, but this is good stuff. It's good to get it when they not prepackaged, but it's good to ask for it at the counter. Just let you know, because it's going to be fresher. Same with the ham. Okay. All right, let's keep moving. And then we got 3 calabresas. Es como chorizo, right? Oh no, yeah, calabresa. Okay. Yeah, it's a sausages. Okay. Anyways, that's what these are. Yeah, a little less than $2. Yeah, could be expensive if you bought a lot of these, but I want to try them, and they're excellent on the grill. But hell, even like whatever other ways to prep is still good. Okay, keep moving. So we got about what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 limes. About 7 limes. They didn't even weigh this out. They must have just had put the number on. Okay. They didn't weigh, or they didn't put stickers on these because they weighed them at the register. But anyways, so yeah, we got five huge onions. My girl is really good at picking stuff out, vegetables. She tried to get the best red onions we could. Got 3 big red onions as well. Then we got a yellow pepper. All right, this would be very pricey in the States for sure. The green peppers are the cheapest, right? Then we got perejil, which is a parsley. Yeah. Okay, put that over there. Then we got 2 large red peppers. Okay. Then we got carrots. Carrots are extremely cheap down here, you guys. I probably put that as at like 20 cents. Yeah, if that. So yeah, 4 good carrots. Then we got cebollita, which is green onions. Green onions, right? Good for everything, garnish, all that good stuff. You guys know. Then we got a crap ton of good tomatoes, aroma tomatoes, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, they're big ones. They're we probably got what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Yeah, good stuff, you guys. Then we got 2 large green peppers, locotes, we call them down here. Yeah, so we got that. Then we got 3 heads of hydroponic lettuce. Gonna use this to make a salad here as well. And then we got 3 smaller boxes of yerba mate. These are 250 grams each. Normally the bigger ones are double the size, I believe. Yeah. I was trying to look for the big boxes, but I didn't see any. And this is the best kind of flavor, the mint and lime flavor, right? For kurupi when you're drinking cold tereré. Then we got bananas. Yeah. Okay, got about 7 bananas here. 6 bananas, just kidding. Okay. And then we got more dog treats. Okay, I shouldn't say that too loud. Otherwise, Puppy's going to come. I mean, Puppy's going to come anyways because we're going to give him one more treat at the end. Okay. And then, so yeah, so remember, we got also, we got the meat here. And then, you know, we got the rice and, you know, the girlfriend's using all this stuff to, then we're going to fry this up. If I remember, I'll put the end product at the end of the video here. And yeah, we got a couple more. I forgot to mention we got a couple more seasonings. Oh no, like oh yeah, we got oregano, and I forgot to mention we also got flour as well at the store. Okay, and then also we got a bottle of water. I paid for this twice because I was an idiot and forgot to take it out of the cart, so they charged me twice, and I totally forgot until we got home. Okay, anyways, you guys, keeping this a shorter video, and then we're gonna give Puppy another treat. So Puppy, come here. Come here. Oh, here you are. Okay. Sit. Okay, there you go, Puppy. Good puppy. Okay. Okay, are we done? Is the video over? Okay, the video is over. Okay, you guys, so yeah, that's what you can get for about $100 here in Paraguay. This would easily be 2 times, if not 3 times the price, maybe even 4 times the price for some of you guys in the States, depending on the city that you live in, depending on the state that you live in, the region that you live in. You guys already know. Yeah, so we're gonna make this stuff to eat. I'm gonna take a picture of it so you guys can see what my girl is cooking here. I explained it terribly at the beginning, but she knows real stuff, how to cook real stuff, and I'm just still learning. So she's gonna be teaching me. All right, you guys, we're gonna get out of here and see you in the next one. Peace.